Hi everyone, this is Jeff with Pie of Genius, and if you're watching this, it's probably because you're feeling anxious, unsure about your business, about your organization, what you're gonna do, and I totally get that. There is so much going on right now, and I even wrote down a few things that you might be wondering, what am I going to do about the competition, right? There's people around you and your competitors seem like they have an advantage. Or maybe your competition is online. It's not even people with you. It's now you're losing business to online. What are you going to do about that? Maybe your challenge is finding great workers to work for you, to be on your staff, and then to retain them. It seems like you get great workers, but then they leave. How do you keep them? And what a lot of you are dealing with is that the cost of goods are skyrocketing. And how do you keep your prices reasonable with stuff going so high? And the last one that might just be a big deal is this whole recession. Like, what's going to happen? We don't know. How do we plan for that? And you may be looking for some clarity. And what I love to do is to come alongside people and help them gain that clarity they need in order to move forward. And I don't tell you what to do. I do something far more powerful than just telling you what you should do. And here's why. Nobody knows exactly what you should do, because everybody is unique. Their circumstances are unique. So what I do is I partner with you to help you get clarity on your unique path. Understand your employees, how to get traction and momentum and teamwork and the directions you can begin to move toward to get you where you want to be. And, you get to discover your unique path. And I love helping people do that, coming alongside them, partnering with them. If that sounds like something that will be interesting to you, then please reach out to me. I'd love to give you a free complimentary 30-minute clarity coaching call. And as you think about that, I want you to realize something. Some things you have 100% no control over. Some things you have 100% control over. And some things it's somewhere in between. And if you'd like to feel empowered because you're taking control of things you do have control of, I would love to partner with you and to help you figure out what those might be, actions you can take. And I guarantee you, after our call, you'll walk away with at least one clear action you can take to move your organization or your business forward, where you will feel less anxious, more calm, more in control. Okay, guys, this is Jeff with Pie of Genius. I look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.